Hello everybody. We trust you had a fantastic holiday and a far superior week ahead. We are back with another exciting video for you. In this video, we will examine the advantages of social media marketing. You need to bear in mind there are different levels of marketing, and we want to ensure you understand the various kinds. So we know you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So let's get straight to it. Social media used to be one option in a vast sea of marketing opportunities, but now it's a massive resource for businesses of all sizes. However, social media marketing is much more than sending out a tweet or posting a product image to Instagram. It takes time, money, and strategy to grow brand recognition. Entrepreneurs keen on elevating their business to new crowds should know the essentials of online media advertising. Making and imparting content to online media clients can expand the potential for income and yield information to assist you with bettering understanding your customers. That is what this is all about, right? We want to generate a profit. Marketing is done best when you can be creative, strategize, manage a community, write clearly and concisely, stay up to date on trends and features, understand how content works on social media, and establish a brand to make clients want more. Makes sense, right? Not all social media platforms are equally suited for your business, so it's important to know what one prioritizes, rewards and highlights your business. First, you must identify where your audience is spending the majority of its time. Are they watching short videos or long ones? Are they scrolling for a variety of content? Are they focused on the overall flow of the content? These are all valuable insights that can help you choose the best platform for your brand and avoid throwing resources into one that does not fit your business needs. You understand this, don't you? All essential questions that deserve your close attention. Here are some popular marketing channels. TikTok. TikTok has exploded. It has the largest demography of Gen Z users on social media, with a significant portion of its users being younger than those on their platforms. As a result, it's a hotbed for users and businesses alike, with all of these prospective customers congregating in one location and creating fascinating content. LinkedIn. LinkedIn specializes in professional and business-to-business connections. It's the virtual edition of networking events. Starting on LinkedIn can be a smart move if you're interested in expanding your team or partnering with others in your industry. Twitter. Twitter is made for short, character-limited bursts and is designed for quick thoughts and breaking news. Twitter is centered around social messaging, humor, and news. Almost 30% of global Twitter users are between 25 and 34 years old. Therefore, Twitter might be a good choice if you plan to provide concise messages while engaging with your audience. YouTube. YouTube is a good platform if you are interested in video content for your brand. Video plays a vital role in social media marketing, and YouTube has more than 2 billion monthly users. Facebook. Facebook is one of the largest social media platforms, with more than 1.8 billion daily users. You might want to use Facebook if your business plans to provide various content such as images, video, text, tangible products, or live streams. Facebook may also be right for you if you plan on sharing a lot of links. Instagram. Instagram emphasizes sharing visual content, and it's best when your content is well designed and aesthetically pleasing. More than 56% of Instagram audiences in the US are female. Instagram's short-form video feature, Reels, allows users to post 15-second videos. If short-form video, the shop feature, and lots of communication between business and consumer fits your needs, Instagram could be right for you, but I am sure you saw that in one of my prior uploads. If not, hit the link below for more details. Also get your free report at the end of that video. Click the link below. Well, I guess to sum it all up for you, these platforms all can be used to your advantage. Allowing yourself to be disciplined and motivated to be more creative and proactive with your business. Even if you're just starting out, having a better comprehension of these platforms is only more beneficial for you in your new growing business. We sure hope you really enjoyed this video and found some value and good information that you can start using today. Don't forget to like and leave any comments below. Share this with the like-minded individuals. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one.